Hello students, I am Professor G. N. Moite, Department of Agricultural Botany, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirasgaon. In this lecture, we are going to see about seed classification and seed treatment. Firstly, we will see seed classification. A plant breeder develops a new variety. It is very good and every farmer wants the variety. The seed marketing companies want the seed to meet the high demand from the farmers. In this chain, from plant breeder to farmer, there are a number of steps, and at each step, the system must ensure that the original variety is truthfully produced. Now we will see first class of seed, that is nucleus stalk. When a new variety is released, there is a very little seed. There may be only a handful of seed selected by the breeder from individual plants. This seed is the basis of a variety and is known as a nucleus stalk. This nucleus stalk must be managed with great care so that all seed produced from it remains true to the new variety. This is a most important step and is the responsibility of the plant breeder who developed the variety. The nucleus stalk seed is not available to farmers. The next step in the chain from plant breeder to farmer is that the plant breeder develops breeder seed. Breeder seed. Breeder seed is the seed of the highest purity of the new variety. It is produced by the breeder and provided by the breeder's institution to agencies for further multiplication. If you are from a non-governmental organization, seed business or a private company that is producing seed, you may need to purchase breeder seed from research institution. Breeder seed is the most expensive seed to buy. As a private company or an NGO business, you need breeder seed or foundation seed. Once again, your interest is quality. Then next class is foundation seed. Foundation seed is the seed produced from growing breeder seed. It is produced by trained officers of an agriculture station to national standards and handled to maintain the genetic purity of the variety. It may be produced by government, seed production farm or a private organization. This will depend on the regulation of the country. Foundation seed is less expensive than breeder seed. If your interest is to have high quality seed to grow paddy, you will not be interested in buying breeder seed or foundation seed. You need registered seed or truthfully labeled seed. Registered seed. Registered seed is produced from growing foundation seed. It is grown by selected farmers in a way that maintains genetic purity. Production has undergone field and seed inspection by seed inspectors to ensure conformity with standards. Next class is certified seed. Certified seed is produced from growing foundation, register or certified seed. It is grown by selected farmers to maintain sufficient varietal purity. Production is subject to field and seed inspection prior to approval by the certification agency. Harvest from this class is used for producing again. Quality declare seed, that is also known as truthfully labeled seed, is produced from foundation, register or certified seed. It is not subject to inspection by certification agency. As this seed is not inspected, its quality is dependent on the good reputation of the farmer who has grown the seed. His good name in the village is important. These are the classes of seed. Now we will see about seed treatment. Seed treatment in broad terms are the application of biological, physical, and chemical agents and techniques to seed that provide protection to seeds and plants and improve the establishment of healthy crops. The role of seed treatment. Diseases and pests affecting crop can have devastating consequences in agricultural and horticultural production if not properly managed. Breeding is an excellent tool to build resistances against pests and diseases in the plants. However, breeding alone does not address all of the agronomic challenges. Therefore, crop protection products are often needed and used for good crop management. These crop protection products can be applied during the growth of the crop but can also be added to the seed as a seed treatment. Seed treatments have played and are still playing a significant role in the history of mankind in staving off hunger and starvation by improving the establishment of healthy crops. This is role of seed treatment. How seed treatments are applied. Seed treatment is a term that describes both products and processes. Processes range from basic dressing to coating and pelleting. In all cases, the basis of good application techniques is to deliver the product to the seed at the correct dose and as uniformly as possible from seed to seed. Seed dressing, the most common method of seed treatment. The seed is either dressed with a dry formulation or wet treated with a slurry or liquid formulation. Dressings are applied both on farm or in specialized seed treatment facilities. Seed coating, a special binder is used with a formulation to enhance adherence to the seed and begin to impact seed size and shape. Coatings require advanced treatment application technology. Seed pelleting, the most sophisticated seed treatment technology resulting in changing the physical shape of the seed to enhance plantability and handling. Pelleting requires specialized application machinery and techniques and is the most expensive of the application. This is all about seed classification and seed treatment. Thank you.